Hey everyone, so I wanted to show you I got some new plates. My plates were all getting a crack down the middle. So I have these plates that I was using. I'll show you one of them. I had these plates here, but they were getting a crack right down the middle. And I get my plates and things from Amazon and from the dollar store, but the ones at the dollar store, they're not that good quality, so I had to replace my plates. So I got some new plates from Amazon, and I'm sure whoever's tracking me and following me will now go and put those in the city market store. That's what they do. They want people to have what I have, which is stupid. It's the stupidity of what they're doing. They're obsessed with me. But anyway, these are the plates that I got. So it's a dinner plate, the side plate, and then a soup bowl. And I like these because they like me. They're nice and they're sturdy, but they're not like too thin. And they've got the nice flower print. And these glasses I got from the dollar store. So I was telling the security guard that after a while they start to crack. And he's like, really? I said, yeah, they do. And then I had even gotten some of the Tupperwares from Amazon, not from Amazon, from the dollar store. I got two of these ones, but they didn't last long, and they're not microwave proof. So this one survived, the other one, it cracked. So I don't really like buying from the dollar store, but when you're on a welfare budget and people are not employing you and you're a graduate of this country, you'll end up buying from the dollar store. I got these decanters. You can use them for water or for wine or whatever. But I got two of these and I use them for my water. See if I can find them. And my oil. I put my oil because I like to put my olive oil into glass. I don't like to keep it if I have to get the plastic ones. So I'm just doing this so that whoever keeps being obsessed with me can carry on being obsessed and can carry on saying everyone should have the same things, even if they don't work for it like I did. It's good because I'm tired of being treated this way. I want that good paid job. And I pray God destroys them the way they destroyed me. This is the decanter. So I just put a label on it. I keep my olive oil in here. And I keep it in my drawer here. And this is a decorative, it's a decorative jug. That's the big Bible I have, but I don't use that too often. So yeah, I thought I would show you guys that. And I keep it here I keep these things in here. So that's my plates. So now all the people who are obsessed with what I'm doing, they can all go and make sure that all the stores have the same things, make sure that City Market has it, make sure that all their obsession pays off and they all get the same things as me. And then that's what I'm going to do now because I'm tired of it. And I'm going to keep praying for those financial blessings for myself. I didn't take vows of poverty and chastity and obedience to anybody. I want a good paid job and I want a big property. That's what I want.